Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
Hello, hi everybody. This is Priya here. Okay, so we will get started with the today's session. I think everybody has joined. Okay, all right. So before I start, I would like to know what we discussed in the previous session. Yes, anybody would like to tell me what we discussed in the previous session? Okay, the test case design, is it? Okay. So did we complete the test case design? Not yet? Okay, we did only for the Gmail. Oh, I think, I said, okay, we will continue in the next class, right? Okay, so we will do it right away. Okay. Hold on. Let me open the documents for you and then I'll be sharing my screen so that you can see it. Okay, I'm opening the documents for you. And I see that you are reporting some issues here in the chat box. Okay. But if you write in the chat box, I would be, missing it because I'll be receiving many messages over here. I have a request, if possible, please send it to me to my email ID so that, I have the email IDs of you and then I'm able to respond to it, effectively. Can you please send the issues that you're posting here in the chat box to my email ID, please? Okay, and I will take care of them. All right. Sure, Reggie, you can send it. Okay, even if it is installation, you please send me. I will, report it immediately to our technical support so that we are able to complete it within the time. All right. Any assistance? Okay, see, whatever you require, okay, we are here to provide you. Please, bring them to our notice as soon as possible. All right, so that we can provide you the help at the right time. All right. And I hope everybody is understanding the concepts. Even if you are not able to understand any of the concepts, please let me know. Okay. I've also shared my number with you in case, you have the queries. If you want to talk to me on the phone, you can definitely call me in the call timings. Sure, Santosh. Can you please send it to my email ID? I will reply it there. Okay. Yeah, I can understand the situation over here. Sure. I will be helping you. Okay, Santosh? Okay, so which was the test case document that we were preparing in the last class? Was it the Gmail or what was it? What was the name of that? Verizon we were discussing? Okay, let me open that. Okay, is this the one? Yes. Oh, yes, exactly. We left it at the half, right? Okay. So let me brief you out regarding the requirement and then we will start preparing the test case for this, alright? So what was this requirement? This was the Verizon Wireless project that we were trying to implement. It is a telecom domain application, right? A portal for the telecom service provider. And then here is our requirement. We have a functionality called as store locator, which is going to locate the stores that are present across the US. And to search the store, we have two options. We could enter the zip code and click on the find store, or we could enter the choose state. We could select from the choose state and then click on the find store to find the stores. Or we had another option, click on a state, on select state, and we could get the results. And the result will be in this format. It will show us the tabular format wherein we can see the address, work hours, featured services, and also the workshop link. Okay. Then the next thing here, the first requirement, if we enter the invalid zip code or if we leave it as a blank and then we try to click on the find store, it is going to give us the error message. Alright. If we try to leave the zip code and then choose a state and then click on the blank store, this is also going to give us the error message. And then if we are trying to enter a valid zip code or if we choose a correct store, then it's going to display the result in this format, right? So this is the requirement for which we were trying to write a test case, right? Okay, so let me see how much we have done. So this is our test case document. So we write the name of the project here, project description, then the application URL, who has prepared it, the reviewed by, approved by, type of testing, test case ID, okay, what is the name of the test case, and then what is the browser that we are using. So we are going to enter all the details about the application. Then we have a step number over here. We have the precondition, step, test data, expected, and then the actual outcome, correct? So now let's try to complete this test case document. I hope I have already done the Gmail application, right? So this is what I had given as an assignment and then I'm providing this solution over here, correct? Okay. So we have the step number 1 over here, wherein we are going to open the Verizon Wireless application in the browser. And then we have a test data www.verizonwireless.com. The expected outcome is the store locator functionality appears on the top menu of the home page of the verizonwireless.com and it should be active, right? Step number 2 is we click on that store locator functionality and then the store locator functionality opens with a search based on the two fields as below. The first one is the zip code, or we can also choose a state, right? And then the find store button will appear, select state link will appear, and then by default the focus should be on the zip code field. Okay. Then next step, we are going to enter the valid zip code and then click on the find stores button. You want me to open the application or you are able to visualize it? Everybody able to visualize? If you want, I'll open the application for you. Yes, you want me to open? Okay, let me do that. Okay, so that you can visualize it properly. Okay, if you require anything, you got to tell me. Okay. See, I will be able to help you if you tell me the issue, right? Okay. And the purpose we are here is to get the job for you. So whatever possible from my side to get you a job, I will definitely do that. All right. Okay. So this is a store locator that we were using. Can you visualize it now? We have a enter zip code over here. We have choose a state and then we have the find store button here and then below that there is a select a state link, right? This is our store locator. If you want, you can also visit this Verizon Wireless, because this is a real-time project that we are considering. Okay, it is not something that is imaginary, but this is a real project which is already hosted. All right. Okay. So let's try to use it. Okay, Swati has a question. Why does the requirement and test case appear repetitive? No, Swati, they are different. Okay. So if you look at the requirement, they are describing the functionality. Okay. If you look at the test case, these are the steps that we got to execute in order to test the functionality. Okay. For example, after this test design is done, we will be giving this document to a tester, and the tester will read these steps one by one and he will perform the steps. Okay, so this is a test case document wherein we have the steps. Okay, requirement is basically we try to describe. Not required, Chitra. We are maintaining the different sheets over here, right? See, having too many documents, it can become difficult for the maintainability. Alright, Chitra. So that is the reason we are creating the different sheets over here. Right? If you want, you can also give, prepare the different documents. But what happens? Maintainability becomes difficult. If you want to share them, you have to attach too many documents, right? So this one, if you share one document, all the information is shared. Correct? I mean, we are trying to keep it simple. Right, Vidya, you got to, prepare it and then follow it. Okay, Ratika, you have a question? Yes, please tell me what is your question. Yes, Ratika, I'm waiting for your question. Yes. See, this is a sequence that you got to follow. First the RTM, test data, and then the test case. This is a sequence you got to follow. Okay, fine. So let's come back. Yes, Ratika, tester is going to do that. Okay, so let's come back to our steps. We are going to enter a valid zip code and then click on the Find Store button. Then we have a zip code. This is a sample zip code that I'm going to enter. Then if I enter the valid zip code, then what happens? The results with the list of the stores should be displayed in the tabular format, address, work hours, featured services, and also the workshop link. Okay. Then what next? We are going to try out entering the invalid zip code, and then we try to click on the Find Store button. If we do this, it should display the error message, plus it should reset all the zip code and also the choose state fields so that we can re-enter the details again. In case we leave the zip code as blank and then click on the Find Store, the same thing is going to be repeated, right? So now we have taken care of the zip code. What is the next one that we have? Choose a state. Okay. Now let's try to choose the state. Okay. So this is step number 6. Can anybody tell me what is a precondition? Yes, what is a precondition? Which is a step? Okay, first let me write the step, then you might understand. Okay. Select a state from choose a state. Okay, this is a drop down, right? So we got to choose a state from the drop down. Okay. And then click on Find Stores button. Okay. Then I'm going to choose any of a state. Okay. So choose a state. I can select any. Let's say I select New Jersey. Right? Okay. And what is the result I get? I get this result again. Okay. So tell me now, what is a precondition? Is this a precondition? Is this a precondition, or this or this? Which is a precondition? Yes, exactly. It is this one. Okay. So after you click on the store locator, when you will be able to see the choose state, from there you can start entering the choose state. Okay. Clear, everybody? Okay. Yeah, I hope this is clear, right? Because everybody is able to answer it correctly. Okay. Next thing. Leave zip code and choose a state as blank. Means both of the fields we are going to leave it as blank. Okay. Click on Find Stores.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.